how can use progress bar on login form. So first of all, we have to create one database. That is already I have created one database. In this database, I create one table name is login. In this login table, I am using two field, one is username and one is password. So I add one progress bar. But before this, we have to complete the code of login. So here I have to include one library. After then I have to set here path. To select the database path, you have to right click on database property, and in this you have to select this connection string. I copy this string and paste over here. Now here we have to start database connectivity code. Here we have to pass select query, select star from our table name is login, where username is equal to and password is equal to. Here I pass our textbox name. So our textbox name is textbox1.text, and second textbox name is textbox2.text. Now in this progress bar, in property, we have to set here min value and max value. So you can see here the min value is 0, maximum value is 100, and step is 10. So it passed 1 2 3 4. It feels like this. In 10 parts it feels completed. Now we have to create one timer. We have to use one timer. In this timer, interval is 100. Okay, no problem, 100 is good. 100 no, but I use 1000. 1000 milliseconds, so it is 1 second, and I enable true. Now here in timer, we have to set progress bar 1 dot value is equal to progress bar 1 dot value plus 10. So by default progress bar value is 0. Now convert dot to int 32. We have to convert this for calculation. And now we have to pass condition here. If progress bar 1 dot value greater than 90, then we have to stop timer. Timer 1 dot enabled is equal to false. So I stop this timer, and here we have to start timer. So timer 1 dot enabled is equal to true. So first of all, in timer property I enable timer false. Now I run this page. I set username is equal to Amit and password is equal to India. So we will check that. I set here password is India, and now I press login button. Just we have to wait timer time. Okay, now we will check. Interval time is 1000, so it takes process after 1 second. It is not working, we have to check. Now you can see okay. Now I create one another form. Add one Windows form 2. This is another page, means after login page. In progress bar in program.cs I said form 1. Now if our username password is correct and timer process completed, on that time we have to forward on form 2. So I have to create here object form 2 f2 is equal to new form 2 and f2 dot show. Now we can load second page after completion of progress bar. Now I said username is Amit and password is India. Login. Now you can see I get form 2 after completion of this progress. Currently we can see your password, so we have to stop to display that password. So this text box property password character, I am using password character is star. Now Now nobody can see your password. Thank you.